In this problem, it is given that combined mass of the person and kayak is 69.3 kg. So here m is equals to 69.3 kg. Now, due to paddling, velocity of the kayak increases from 0 meter per second to 0.62 meter per second after traveling a distance of 0.28 meter. So here the initial velocity, that is v naught, that is equals to 0 meter per second since it is starting from rest, and finally it reaches to the velocity 0.62 meter per second, and the distance traveled for this motion is 0.28 meter. So we have to find what is the net force acting on the kayak.